Good afternoon, everybody. MarineMax, Lindenhurst, Matt Lucci. I'm just here to show you this 255 Bayliner. That's a used boat we took in on trade. It's a 2012 and it's in very, very good shape. Seats 8 people in the cockpit very comfortably. Has hot and cold running water at the transom. Has a very spacious downstairs also. If you come down inside, you have a nice galley. Huge Big V Berth. The previously enjoyed owner of this boat installed a TV, which is a TV DVD player. It has the overnight package, which consists of the refrigerator, the stove, and the microwave. Also has hot water, hot and cold running water. Very spacious aft cabin. Forward deck sun pads. This boat is also equipped with a marine toilet. Canvas on this boat up top is a camper back and is in very, very good shape. Also has a forward deck sun pad on the bow. The whole bow will fill in with padding. So if you got some young teenagers or a wife that likes to lay out, be perfect.